Are you looking to reinstall your BlackVue dashcam or move it frequently from vehicle to vehicle? That's what the tape kit and mount kits are made for. Hi, this is Jeremy, and today I'm going to give you an overview of the mount kit and tape kit for the BlackVue dashcams. Most BlackVue dashcams are using adhesive mounts. Why is that? There are a few reasons why we chose adhesive mount rather than, say, for example, suction cups. The first reason is that adhesive mounts are really strong and they're designed to hold for a long period of time. They are also allowing for a more compact design of the mount because you don't have a sort of arms or suction cup that takes a lot of space. And that means the mounts of BlackVue dashcam can be really low profile and blend well with your vehicle's interior because they are flush with the windshield. To make it easy for everyone to reinstall their BlackVue, we created those tape kits and mount kits so that you can buy these kits just for your BlackVue dashcam, and it includes everything you need to reinstall the front and the rear dashcam both. So now let's see what we have in the box, starting with the tape kit. So first of all, we've got the pry tool. The pry tool will help you to remove the tape from your existing dashcam installation. And then you have the front camera mount tape, 2 of each, and then the rear camera mount tape or interior camera mount tape, 2 of each also. And then you got a set of 5 cable clips that can be used to run your wires, either coaxial or power if you want to rerun those. Now for the mount kits. So the mount kit will include also those sets of tape, and then come with the mount. So here you have it, the same thing, plus the 2 mounts, which come already pre-installed with their own tape. So that's why you just get these 2 sets. So you have your front camera mount and the rear or interior camera mount. Now let me share a few tips on how to remove and reinstall your mount. First of all, the adhesive on the mount is really strong. So we're gonna have to be a little bit strategic about how we're gonna remove it from your windshield. The first thing to do is first remove the dashcam from the mount. So whether it's the front or rear, you want to remove the dashcam first. Now with your dashcam mount attached to the windshield, what you want to do is try to help it being easily removed. And the way you do that is by getting it wet. So you could use a spray of water, like a water spray. You could use a sponge or even just a wet cloth, and try to wet the area around the adhesive pad. And once you've started doing that, you will be able to slowly pull on the mount and try to detach the mount from one of the edges so that eventually you can remove it like this, rather than pulling all at once. And while you do that, it will slowly detach, and you can use the pry tool to help yourself. And then once you've have a little opening, you will be able to spray water again and then wait a little bit more, and then you will see slowly it will come out all together without leaving any residue on your windshield. Now let me give you just a few tips about how to reinstall the mount. There's no real secret here except that you must make sure the surface you're gonna apply the pad to is really clean. So just use some cleaning alcohol or just simply wash it and make sure there's no greasy residue left before you apply it. And as an extra tip, like Gorilla taught us, you could try to heat up the pad a little bit using a lighter or even hair dryer or heat gun to heat up the pad and strengthen the adhesive strength before applying it to your windshield. You can find the tape kit and mount kit both at the BlackVue website.